Hi, I'm Jason. If you're a business owner and you have been struggling to keep track of leads, follow up with customers, or manage your business without using 10 different apps, this video is for you. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to use GoHighLevel step by step in the simplest possible way, even if you're not tech savvy. By the end of this video, you'll know how to organize leads, send automated follow-ups, book meetings, and also manage your entire business in one place. And don't worry, I'll keep everything beginner friendly with no complicated tech talk. Also, if you want to follow along, I'll be leaving my GoHighLevel free link in the description and pinned comment. That link helps to support the channel at no additional cost to you, so thank you in advance. Let's dive in. So first, what exactly is GoHighLevel? GoHighLevel is basically an all-in-one business platform. Instead of paying for a CRM, an email marketing tool, a funnel builder, and an appointment software, and then a text message software and automation tool separately, GoHighLevel combines everything into one dashboard. Think of it like a control center for your business. Here are the main things beginners use it for. You can use it to track leads, follow up automatically, book appointments, send in emails and texts, and also manage customer conversations. And the biggest reason business owners love it is simple. It saves time. Instead of manually following up with every customer, GoHighLevel can automate a lot of the work for you. Alright, once you're logged in, this is your main dashboard. Now, don't get overwhelmed. At first, there are a lot of menus here, but honestly, you only need to learn a few main sections to get started. Let me simplify this for you. You have conversations, and this is where all your messages live. So if someone texts you, emails you, or contacts you through a form, it all shows up here, like your business inbox. Next, you have calendars. This lets customers book appointments with you automatically. No more back and forth messages asking what time works best for you. After calendars, we have contacts, and this is your customer list. Every lead or customer gets stored here automatically. You can see names, phone numbers, email addresses, notes, and activity history. Then you have opportunities, and this is your sales pipeline. Basically, it helps you track where each lead is in your sales process. For example, new lead, contacted, appointment booked, closed sale. This is super useful because you can visually see who needs follow-up. You also have payments, and this is where you'll be able to create or you'll be able to monitor your invoices, documents, and payments link. And next, you have AI agents, and this is where you'll be able to create or monitor your AI agents. Then you also have marketing, where you'll be able to view your social planner, or you can do email marketing, as you can see right here. And we also have automations, and this is one of the most powerful features. You can automate texts, for example, emails, reminders, missed call responses, and follow-ups. And don't worry, I'll show you a simple beginner setup in a minute. Now let me show you how to add contacts and leads. The first thing you want to do is go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on contacts. After you have selected contacts, you're going to tap on add contact in the top right-hand corner. From here, you can input the first and last name. You can enter in their email address and phone number. Then you'll select contact type, whether lead or customer. So I'm just going to be selecting lead. You can select the time zone, and you can select the different channels that you'll be able to contact that particular lead through. Then you're just going to tap on save. Once you have saved it, you have different options. So for example sake, you can also add documents for this particular contact. As you can see right here, you have documents. You can add information about that particular contact. You can also use GoHighLevel to reach out to that particular contact. Now that you have added your contact, the next thing I want to show you how to do is organize your leads using pipelines. So you're going to tap on opportunities from the left-hand menu option. Once you have selected opportunities, you're going to see columns. So you'll see new lead, contacted, qualified, and different columns, as you can see right here. Each column represents a stage in your business process. So when a lead comes in, you simply drag them to the next stage. So to add a new lead, you're going to tap on add opportunity. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on primary contact. Then we're just going to be selecting the contact that we have created. Then you'll tap on create. Now that you have tapped on create, once we close out of this, you can see that it has been added right here. And you'll be able to drag the contact through the different stages. So for example, contacted, then you can drag it to qualified and so on. And you can move it through the different phases. So with this, it helps you to know exactly who needs follow-up, who's ready to buy, and who might be slipping through the cracks. A lot of small business owners lose leads simply because they forget to follow up. This solves that problem. Now let me show you one of the best beginner automations you can create. This alone can save you hours every week. You're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select automations. After selecting automations, you're going to tap on create workflow. Once you have selected create workflow, from here we're just going to tap on start from scratch. Once you have selected start from scratch, the first thing you'll need to do is add your trigger. So we're going to tap on add trigger right there. And the trigger we'll be adding is forms submitted. So you're going to tap right here and you're just going to type in forms and you'll select forms submitted. After you have done that, you'll tap on save trigger. Once you have done that, you're going to tap here where you see the plus. So this means whenever someone fills out your website form, the automation starts automatically. After they have filled out the form, the next thing you want to do is send a text message. So we can type in send, and from there you can select send SMS. You could select send email if you want. So we're just going to tap on send SMS. Then from there you can choose from one of the templates, or you can simply type in right here. You can type in your message, or you can use AI to write your message. So an example message I would say is, hey John, thanks for contacting us. We received your request and will reach out shortly. That's it. No, now every lead instantly gets a response. This is huge because fast responses increase conversion rate dramatically. So you're going to simply enter in your message right there, then you'll tap on save actions. So for example, I'm just going to type in something real quick right there, and I'm just going to tap on save. After you have done that, the next thing you want to do is send an email. So you're going to tap on the plus once more. And from here, you're just going to type in send. And you're going to tap on send email. After you have selected send email, from here you want to keep it simple. So for example's sake, you'll type in the email body, thank them for reaching out, and explain the next step. After you have done that, you're going to be adding a wait step. So you'll tap on save action. Then you'll tap on the plus once more. And after you have done that, you'll type in wait right here and you'll just select wait. And you could, for example, wait for a day. After you have done that, you can add in another step, and this would be the follow-up message, and then send another follow-up text if you want, as most businesses fail because they stop following up too early. Automation fixes that. Now imagine this happening automatically for every single lead. That's where GoHighLevel becomes powerful. Now let me quickly show you how to set up appointment booking. You're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and select calendars. After selecting calendars, you're going to tap on new calendar in the top right-hand corner. Once you have selected new calendar, from here you have different options that you can choose from. So for example, you can select personal booking, which would allow you to schedule one-on-one meetings, round robins, collective bookings, class bookings. You have different options that you can choose from. By the way, if you have not added a Google Calendar, what you want to do is you'll simply close out of this and you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option. From the left-hand menu option, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select integrations. After you have selected integrations, from here you're just going to tap on Google Calendar and you'll be able to add your Google Calendar. You can also add calendar if you want. You have numerous options that you can quickly add. Once you have added your calendar, from there you'll tap on new calendar, and let's say for example, say the one that I like to choose is the service booking. After selecting service booking, you're just going to give it a name. Then from there you can add in the staff member. After you have added in the staff member, you can choose the duration of the particular service. Then you will tap on advanced settings. Once you have selected advanced settings, from here you'll be able to upload your service logo. You can also tap on staff and location and you can choose different location. So for example, let's say you'll be keeping the meeting online. You can tap on add location right there. After you have done that, you can select whichever one of these platforms you'll be using. You can also add in your availability, so your timing, so you can tap right there and you can choose the time. You can also add in booking rules, as you can see right here. So you can set this up fully. So now customers can book calls without messaging you back and forth. And the best part is you can automate reminder texts and emails so people actually show up to appointments. That alone can improve your business dramatically. So let's quickly recap. Go High Level helps you manage leads, automate follow-ups, book appointments, track conversations, and organize your business in one place. And honestly, for small business owners, simplicity matters. You don't want complicated software. You want something that saves you time, helps you make money. That's why so many businesses are switching to this platform. I've included a free link in the pinned comment and description that will allow you to sign up and test Go High Level for yourself for 14 days. I recommend following along and setting it up with your contacts, one pipeline, and you don't want to try to master everything. In fact, I recommend that you start off with one automation. You want to start simple, and once you're comfortable with the platform, you can expand into funnels, email campaigns, AI tools, and advanced automations. And I've created tutorials on all of those different options, so you want to ensure that you have subscribed, and from there you can access those videos. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful and informative.